बेंगलुरु के इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी में डॉक्टर हैदर वली की लीडरशिप में कायम बीएस इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के लिए हिस्टोरिक डे। जी हां दोस्तों, बीएस इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के लिए हिस्टोरिक डे, तारीखी दिन। फर्स्ट इंडियन सिविलियन एस्ट्रोनॉट कैप्टन गोपीचंद थोटकोरा की बीएस इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में आमद। जी हां दोस्तों, मुल्क की मशहूर शख्सियत और फर्स्ट इंडियन सिविलियन एस्ट्रोनॉट खलाबाज का एजाज हासिल करने वाले कैप्टन गोपीचंद थोटकोरा ने बीएस इंटरनेशनल स्कूल पहुंचकर इंस्पायर हब का इनॉग्रेशन किया और नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे के जश्न में हिस्सा लिया।
Working for the Sports Authority of Karnataka.
ब्रेनी स्टार्स ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन के चेयरमैन डॉक्टर हैदर वली ने बेंगलुरु के इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी में मौजूद बीएस इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में एक ऐसा निज़ाम कायम किया है, एक ऐसा सिस्टम कायम किया है कि स्टूडेंट्स सिर्फ क्लासरूम्स और किताबों तक महदूद न रहें, बल्कि बचपन से ही बच्चों में साइंटिफिक टेम्पर पैदा हो। एजुकेशन के साथ स्पोर्ट्स, कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज में भी स्टूडेंट्स अपनी सलाहियतों का मुजाहिरा करें। इसलिए बीएस इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के कैंपस में 17 किस्म के स्पोर्ट्स बच्चों को सिखाए जा रहे हैं। कर्नाटक में सबसे बड़ी ड्रोन लैब बीएस इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में कायम की गई है। शूटिंग में बढ़ रही दिलचस्पी को देखते हुए वेल इक्विप्ड शूटिंग सेंटर यहां कायम किया गया है। हर स्पोर्ट्स के लिए एक्सपर्ट्स और कोचेस की खिदमत हासिल की गई है। डॉक्टर हैदर वली कहते हैं कि मॉडर्न एजुकेशन की जब बात आती है तो अमेरिका, यूरोप का हवाला दिया जाता है, लेकिन इंडिया में तमाम सलाहियतें, एक्सपर्टाइज मौजूद है जो इंटरनेशनल लेवल का दर्जा रखता है। लिहाजा बीएस इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ने रेगुलर एजुकेशन के साथ स्पोर्ट्स और साइंस को फरोग देने के लिए इंस्पायर हब का कॉन्सेप्ट शुरू किया है। 29 अगस्त 2024 बरोज जुमेरात मनाए गए नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे के मौके पर डॉक्टर आफ्ताब, बीएस इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के चेयरमैन डॉक्टर डी हैदर वली, वाइस चेयरमैन शाहिद वली, सीईओ कल्याण यस बिरादार, प्रिंसिपल मिल्ड्रिड तौरा व दीगर मौजूद थे। डॉक्टर डी हैदर वली की नई नई कोशिशों, इनोवेटिव मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग और क्रिएटिविटी की कैप्टन गोपीचंद ने तारीफ की। जनूबी हिंद न्यूज रिपोर्ट।
So we're here at BS International School today in Bangalore. I think it's one of the most vision-driven schools that I have had the pleasure of visiting. Everything from the Montessori that they have been built here, the Inspire Hub that we just experienced today, and everything that the chairman, Mr. Ali here is doing with the help of Mr. Biradar here is truly something that individuals should come here and witness. To see, we're talking about archery, we're talking about shooting, we're talking about all activities that you don't see in a regular, school, which is just hidden in the forest in Bangalore, which doesn't have publicity. There's no marketing that's happening. There are so many people who are here with the visionary mind and behind him to push him to give the education which is not provided today. So I think that definitely this has to be made more aware for the people of Bangalore, for the people of Banerghatta, for the people living on Nice Road, to know that BS International exists over here, because it's a truly inspirational, vision-driven, educational research facility for students all the way from inception, from when they start to learn, all the way up to 12th grade. So I think that I am very honored to be here. I am very honored to be a part of this Inspire Hub that has been built here. Just to give a little example, they have national and international coaches and athletes who are teaching students who have no information on what the sport is being taught by the who is who of the world. Is truly commendable. to the chairman sir here. So we're very blessed to be here. Brother sir, thank you so much for having. So
In
I
changing
really,
atmosphere, in changing scenario, sports needs to be given importance.
absolutely, and more importance than anything else should be an outdoor activity. Should be freedom. I believe that freedom to the young mind will make him who he is tomorrow. So the freedom is what is provided as BS International is what I believe. I think the freedom and the visionary leadership of the chairman and the CEO here really push for the student to do what he or she wants to do. It's not about, the pencil approach from above where the teacher is telling you do this or do that. It's about be free, and I think you can be free here in this academy, and I think that's very important for parents to understand and to come and see it, not to stand it, but see what is established here. I think will go a very long way. Thank you so much.
We have a large population with lot of talent, and seeing the performance in the Olympics, we can do a wonderful job. All it requires is about 1 hour of regular sports in schools, starting from the first class.
So how do you see these Hyder Ali's efforts?
Wonderful. He's putting a lot of effort, and what I saw the Inspire Hub, it's amazing. There are a lot of activities, and children will really grow in this. There's no doubt about it. It's a wonderful place to be in.
So what further suggestion?
For the first, get the thing that he has already set up a vision, get that vision running. He'll do very well.
Your good name?
I'm Dr. Aftab.
It's really amazing, and I discussed a few things with Dr. Saab, and now I was quite happy to see that such educators are there in this world who have great vision towards it.
What is Atharva Rajkumar?
Performance you saw.
Yeah, it's amazing, and from the Asman Foundation, we would like to help the kids for their growth, whatever they want to achieve in their life, to reach to the Olympics and at the national level. Whatever help is required related to their training, their coaching, their financial support, the Asman Foundation will be there to support you with Dr. Saab.
Today we are celebrating this sports day, and in the meantime we had a opening ceremony of Inspire Hub, because I inspired a lot with the first Indian astronaut, civil astronaut, Gopi Chand. He was the first Indian. I inspired about him. That's why we put the name the Inspire Hub, because our students should do that, because they have to, for the inspiration of the student of the next generation, we have made this Inspire Hub to have a great activities, science and technology, and a lot of sports included in this hub.
So education system is changing here.
Because education,
Different pattern.
yeah, because all the days what is present happening in India, the education means only academics, books, and by heart getting the marks. But unfortunately, our parents and leaders, they are not understanding what is the real education. Education is not only the books and the academics. It should have the critical thinking, for which we should, as a school chairman, I thought that we want to change the paradigm of the education system. Today what it is there, and it is a lot of lapses are there, and for which we are giving the education for lifetime, not only for career. To make the good human beings is the most important. For their mind to grow, we had sports and science with us. It's a lot of activities. First time in Bangalore. It is a model school. Nobody is having a biggest Montessori. It is a self-learning education system. And we are having a drone lab, biggest drone lab in Karnataka. And no universities also, it is not a facility is available. We are having a shooting, we are having a fencing. Like that, we are having a 17 sports, including academic, sports, and for science also we had a aero modeling, robotics, artificial intelligence, and drone technology. For the sake of, we want to make the students become entrepreneurs. We don't want the people to search the job. Create the jobs is the BS International slogan. Create the jobs, not searching the jobs. Every student should become a great entrepreneur. for which we are going to give the training for them. We are grooming that in that level to make the 21st century education, not the olden type education, because the 21st century children, we want to give the 21st century education. This is our main motive to change the image of India. Because I will give the message for all the politicians or government, because they have to spend the money on education, not for other freebies. Because if we give the right education to our generations and our children, our citizens, and in 20 years we will become better than US. Today what we are talking, US, America, we are the powerful minds. Indian brains are very powerful. We need a grooming and the right platform we have to create. The BS International is the right platform to grow, to learn 21st century education, to compete and create the jobs for the nation. Thank you very much.
You are also a sports person, renowned sports person.
Yes, thank you so much. Being a National Sports Day, our birthday of our national hero, Major Dhyanchand, we have celebrated the National Sport Day, and we thought that this is a very auspicious day to give the facilities for the younger generation. So we got it opened for Inspire Hub to our chief guest and an astronaut, and he was my student from grade 5 to 12. And being a wonderful and auspicious day, we thought of starting this day, and I thought these are the facilities. We are giving around 17 sports to the younger generation. They can enjoy these sports, and not only studies is not so important than the physical activities. They both should go hand in hand. Then only children can grow up in a better environment, and better we can give a better platform for them to achieve their goals in life. This is my few words to the. I am Kalyan Biradar. I am CEO from BS International School.
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं रक्षा हूं और मैं नेशनल लेवल शूटर हूं इन शूटिंग में। और यहां पर आज देख रहे हो अभी बीएस इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में शूटिंग रेंज ओपन हुआ है। ये 10 मीटर डिस्टेंस है। शूटिंग एक ओलंपिक इवेंट है। यहां पर 9 इयर्स एंड अबव कोई भी कर सकता है, एज लिमिट नहीं रहेगा। और शूटिंग में डायरेक्ट स्टेट कंपटीशन कर सकते हो। उसमें आप नेशनल, इंटरनेशनल और ओलंपिक्स में मेडल जीतने के लिए हमारा कंट्री में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हो। और उसमें सीबीएसई, आईसीएसई, खेलो इंडिया सभी अपॉर्चुनिटी है यहाँ पर शूटिंग में। यहाँ पर 3 वेपन्स रहता है और बच्चे के लिए बहुत फायदेदार है। और यहाँ पर कंसंट्रेशन और पेशेंस सभी डेवलप करते हैं। इसलिए आप भी अपना कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए शूटिंग में अचीवमेंट करने के लिए यहाँ पर एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है। आप कभी भी ट्राई कर सकते हो और हमारा देश को नाम को रोशन करो।
क्या हर स्कूल में ऐसा रहता है?
हाँ सर, अभी क्या है, अभी इस ओलंपिक में 2024 पेरिस में अभी शूटिंग में 4 मेडल आया। इसके वजह से अभी शूटिंग के बारे में बहुत जानकारी मिल रहा है और सभी स्टूडेंट अभी थोड़ा करने के लिए बहुत प्रयास कर रहे हैं। और अभी सभी स्कूल में यहाँ रेंज बना रहे हैं। और एक और हमारा बीएस इंटरनेशनल स्कूल का प्रिंसिपल भी बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी और रेंज बनाया है और इसको फायदा उठाए। और सभी स्कूल में रेंज बनाने से और हमारे देश में शूटर का और पैदा होगा।
Give sir a huge round of applause, audience. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being here with us. Madam Malvika Basan is the marketing business schools marketing program. She has the in-depth understanding of including sponsoring the underprivileged children. Now, sheer enthusiasm is the most powerful weapon with which energetic and one of the pillars of our future generation. I request sir to felicitate Reddy sir. So please. Thank you, sir. Now, any introductions as he is the heart and soul of PS International Group. He is an actor in India in our school. Mr. Amir sir to felicitate Shahid sir. Of the prestigious Sainik school, he is an ex-service man. He visited around 40 countries.
Of course, the teachers who have been through this for quite some time to make this building come to life. It truly is a vision-driven movement for learning, and I think that has to be instilled to those individuals who want to provide good education to their children or to some friends or just to strangers. I think it's very, very, very important to understand the kind of facilities that are here in this academy, in the Inspire Hub, and how they can take the next generation forward. I'm truly, truly honored once again. I wish all the students the very best. What you have, the resources that you have, the drones that you have, the archery, shooting, billiards, public speaking, all these little things will make you who you are tomorrow. So I encourage you to take part in them. I encourage you to be free and learn, be fearless and go forward and take it forward. So I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for having me here and we'll be in that. Thank you.
We need to be compassionate. Everything has to come together. And to put all these things together and grow, you have to have a platform. And believe me, there is no better place than your school, BS International, which is providing you with almost everything. Today I heard your strength is about 700 to 800 students. A cube was put in her nose, a cube was put in her bladder, and then she was brought to the place where I work. When I saw her, I thought, what can I do for this lady? Nothing is working. She can't even understand. She cannot move a finger, couldn't move even a finger. And I thought, what am I supposed to do? There is no medicine I can do. At least I asked her, if you can understand what I'm saying to you, so you all can tell your children what determination and passion can do. So
I request all the students and parents to give a huge round of applause because he is Kanakreet, who won bronze medal in high jump in 2023 under 17. He's a CBSE state clusters. He got gold jump in high jump in 2023. Level fencing coach working for the Sports Authority of Karnataka.
See, today we are very proud of Mr. Gopichand because of I inspired him. That's why I made the name for the new flag Inspire Hub. Thank you very much for listening. I wish all my children in here should be astronauts or space or scientists or drone experts or sports people. That is what our vision. I hope you are going to prove yourself to inspire from Gopichand. Thank you very much.